Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can add zero before numbers in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. We explain two methods. First method, for example, I want write a phone number. Okay, something like this. You see the zero directly removes. To fix this problem, just select the cell, then right click, format cells, select text. Okay, this time right. You see, the zero remains. Second method, for example here, I write, you see, directly zero is removes. Just this time, just add the symbol, then write zero. Directly the zero remains. That's the way to add leading zeros in Microsoft Excel. Have a nice day.